Hey guys, so today I'm gonna be trying to color my hair by myself at home. Now I have tried a couple of times to color my hair, but my hair is way too dark to cast some color. So let's see if this time I pass or I fail again. So the color I'm using today is the medium golden chestnut brown from Revlon Color-silk, and this box has a bottle of developer, a bottle of color, a sachet of conditioner that you can use up to 2 times if you have long hair, or up to 3 or 4 times if you have short hair, and a step-by-step instruction how to color your hair, and a pair of use and throw gloves. And the things you need are some claw clips, a pair of scissors, and some Vaseline. So as instructed, I have washed my hair 24 hours before coloring my hair, and I put it in a braid because I wasn't using any kind of product, so I didn't want it to have a frizzy hair day. Okay, so time to change to an old t-shirt. Alright, so I will be using this towel here so that I don't get any color on my t-shirt, but it really doesn't matter because I was wearing the old t-shirt. Now I'm going to use the claw clip to just keep the towel safe. Now I have my gloves on and I'm just going to cut the tip of the developer, and I will pour the color in the developer, and I will shake it, and you have to shake it really well. Shake it, shake it, shake it, shake it, shake it, shake it. All right, so I had to take my one gloves off because I wanted to use Vaseline. So I'm going to put Vaseline on my hairline so that the color does not get into my skin. I don't want to get any kind of marks on my skin, and which people will think that I got burn marks because I have done this mistake earlier. So yeah, now let's open the braid, and this is my hair, frizzy hair. So I'm going to divide my hair in 4 parts. So first I'm dividing it in half, and then I will be dividing it in other half. So here it is, and I'm just going to make it in a bun and very tight, and just secure it with a claw clip. Okay, so now I know I'm looking like a crazy lady. I was laughing at myself so much, but yeah, that is how I'm looking right now. So I'm gonna give this bottle one last time a good shake, and then I open my hair. And now here I just use my way, which is pouring it straight to my hair, away from scalp, and then just smearing it on my hair, because the way it shows on the instruction guide is actually, it takes way too long, and the color payoff is really not good if I take time. So the faster I do, the more color it shows. That's how I feel, at least. Yeah, so this way works for me, and of course you guys can follow the instruction on the paper that you receive with the hair color box, and just follow that. But I think for me this is the faster way, before the color oxidizes and just becomes useless. So yeah, this is how I do it. So I'm going to finish the top part first, and then I will move to the bottom of my hair. And trust me guys, there was more than enough product for my hair. I mean, it was more than enough, literally. So yeah, and yeah, if you want to get a lighter color, then you should go to the salon because they use proper toner and all that stuff, that doesn't even damage your hair, and then you get a good color. But I just wanted a hint of color. um I mean, you know what I mean. I didn't want it like a really like light brown color because people say it doesn't suit my skin tone. So let's see if I really get some color this time. So yeah, I'm done, and I put my hair in a bun. So I'm gonna take off my gloves now so that my hands can breathe. and I went to wash my hands. So here I am with my clean hand, and as you can see, I have taken off the towel because it was too heavy for me, and anyhow this was an old t-shirt. So yeah guys, I washed my hair and it was not bad. As you can see here, in light it was really looking good, but in dark, like this is how it looks after washing my hair, and this looks dark, but in light it was really looking nice. So yeah guys, that was my video. I hope you guys liked it. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. As I have always said, that if you don't like this type of videos, there might be something else that you will like, because I make random videos. I'll see you guys in my next video. Take care.